We're going to take it right now. Just wait. You can wait for art for 5 seconds.
What do you want me to say?
10 seconds. You can say whatever you want to say.
Okay. Well, this is so my new Americana art has to do with the music that I love and the art that I love. And also, no art materials were harmed in the process of making this piece. How about that?
So how long have you been making art like this?
I've been making art with musical instruments attached to the surface or in the paintings or sculptures for about 4 years now. And some of them are much larger. These are the 5 newest pieces, so I just went ahead and put those in the exhibition. And I'm thanking Matt and Katie for this space and the opportunity. It's really a great opportunity, a great space in town where things are here. Is that
all right?
The blind kids at the school in St. Augustine, so that they can come up and discover it and touch it and find all the things about it. They had a blast.
Do you work with children often?
Not necessarily, but this show presented an opportunity, and I'm definitely going to do another one next year.
What is the name of that show exactly?
This is called the Tactile Show. It was at the St. Augustine Art Association. They dedicated a room about this size just for a show for the blind students. And it's totally different than when you and I walk up to it, because we really see it first, and they actually discovered it by touching it.
So this show is designed for them to touch and feel the work.
Yeah.
Well, that's a beautiful concept. Yeah. So is most of the work in that show more three-dimensional then?
Everything. Well, we need for something like that, something that at least had some surface content, things that
you could feel. Yeah. And put to your mind. Were you there to talk to the children?
A little bit. They've got kids at different times. It's one of those
special moments.
Yeah.
And you play guitar as well, right? How long have you been playing guitar?
I've been playing a type, like folk guitars since 1970. And some rock and roll kind, but I've recently been taking jazz lessons.
Are you in a band of any kind? Or just
Mark and I have played in 2 or 3 bands together for about 15 years.
Oh yeah, Mark, but does he play like the bongos or drums, some kind of drum?
The band I led.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I think we actually have like a bongo painting or something.
We do, yeah. And before that, he and I and Nestor were part of the trio.
Oh yeah, Nestor. Isn't he up in North Carolina now?
Art degree.
Yeah. He's a good guy too. All right, thanks, Dave.